Hi, I'm Hunter Lockett, and I am your child's AP Biology teacher. Welcome to Parent Virtual Open House. We're going to start with a little bit of information about me, and then I'll talk about Schoology and some of the other programs that we are using in AP Biology this year. So I started teaching biology in 2004. I've been teaching AP Biology since 2006. I have had tremendous success with my kiddos, so I'm very, very proud of them. And I feel like that program that I offer is a really good competitive program. I've been at Grassfield for 3 years, or this is my third year at Grassfield. And I really enjoy it there, really enjoy your kids. So far, it's been really great getting to know them, even though it is still virtual. So real quick, we're going to look at my Schoology page and my syllabus. Okay, so AP Biology, they're my green class. At the very top of the landing page, you'll see that there is the Google Meets link, and so they can go in there and they can click right on Google Meets and join our class. The super duper important papers, important documents, and in there we have the syllabus, the link for the acknowledgement of receiving the syllabus, some of the safety stuff, the AP Classroom code, the AP Classroom calendar. If you have not looked at that, that's kind of a cool thing because we have mapped out the entire school year. We know exactly what we're teaching when, so you can see what that looks like. And AP Test Day is on Friday, May the 14th. So, and I hope that everybody in the class will be confident that they can do a good job on it. Let's see, back to that. Down here at the bottom is the AP Biology course and exam description. It's like 270 pages long, but in it, it has an outline of the course and the curriculum that we are teaching. So if you're ever interested, then that is in there as well. Okay. When they open up, I'm going to move this digital citizenship question. That's going to go away here, but Unit 1 Biochemistry, that's what we're in for the rest of this week. And then when we start Unit 2, which will be cells, it will be above Unit 1 so that the current unit will always be at the top of the units. Over on the right-hand side, you can see they have upcoming assignments. They're working on a POGL, which is a cooperative activity that they do. They had an AP Classroom progress check, and that's one of the programs I'll talk about in a moment. And they have a review, it's called a painkiller, and that's a review for the test that is coming up on Thursday. So that is the, and then within my unit, there's always a daily plan. If you look at that, you'll see that it is, it has required reading, the labs and activities, quizzes and tests, prezzies, videos, so it gives them all kinds of information, places they can go to get information. And then the second page is the actual day by day, what we're doing so that they can plan their life accordingly, especially since I know that if they're in an AP Bio class, they're probably in at least one other AP class or an honors class that has a little bit more work. So that will help them stay organized. So that's all in the Schoology. And let's see. The next thing that I would like to discuss with you all is, let's see, is we use Mastering Biology, which is a platform that has the digital textbook, and then it also has reading questions. So basically they'll get a Mastering Biology assignment every couple of days, and it's for each chapter. And we'll have questions and learning opportunities for them to use the information that they are hopefully getting from the book and or from the digital textbook and then be able to apply it. The second program that we use is AP Classroom, which is run through College Board, and there are progress checks in there. We may do some testing and quizzing in there, so on and so forth. So that also has some study stuff in there, and basically we'll assign progress checks towards the end of every unit, and it'll give the students the opportunity to have a look at how prepared they are for the test, which would be coming up soon. Extra help. I am available after every class, so they can always stay on with me. And I always ask at the end of class if they have any questions, and then give them the opportunity to stay on if they need to. I also am always available by email. Some kids use Remind. That's fine too. I have to read the statement. Not an issue with this class, but I have to read it, so I'm going to. Live instructional time is very important to the success of your student. At Grassfield High School, we expect students to contribute to the effectiveness of class meetings by using these guidelines. Number 1, don't share class meet links with other students, and don't join classes not in your schedule. Number 2, join classes through your CPS Gmail account and use your real name. And number 3, use appropriate language during class and in the chats, because our class meets are recorded. And students who violate these expectations are subject to disciplinary action. Not an issue, just have to read it. So there you go. So you all can reach me through my email, hunter.lockett@cpschools.com. It is on the top of the syllabus, so that's in the file. Your students can certainly get you there. And finally, my job is to help your students love biology and love learning and have fun. And so that is my goal for this class, and I hope that that they enjoy it too. AP is always my favorite group of kids. We have each other all year, and so we really get to be close, and I really enjoy them. So I hope you have a good evening, and I hope to meet you soon. Take care.